Hi, my name's Allie and I'm a high school senior. I'm super excited about GETT's new video series. I've loved GETT over the past few years, especially the expo. My favorite STEM subjects are biology and chemistry, which I plan on studying in college. Happy 20th anniversary, GETT!
Hi everyone, and thanks for participating in GETT 2020. I'm Radha Piatti of Westchester University. Maybe you've heard of us. We're the Golden Rams, and we've been here since 1871. I'm the Dean of the College of the Sciences and Mathematics, which includes all the natural sciences, mathematics, computer science, the social sciences, and we have a new program, biomedical engineering, an exciting way to invent new devices and treatments to improve human health with things like contact lenses and medical devices like this blood pressure cuff. I got into chemistry because I had a really good teacher in high school who explained everything really well and made sure it all hung together and made sense. I studied chemistry in college because I really enjoyed the mix of beautifully colored solutions and math and solving important problems like developing a better battery. Then I was a chemistry professor for many years before I became a dean of science. Have you ever heard of the types of light in the electromagnetic spectrum? Today we'll look at a few different types of light. Here are the materials you'll need at home to look at these types of light. You'll need a TV remote, a piece of aluminum foil, a cell phone, and another phone of any kind. It can be a cell phone or it can be a landline. Visible light is the kind of light that the human eye can see. The human eye can see visible light and visible light only. There are many sources of visible light, including the sun and all the light bulbs around us. A different type of light is infrared light. The human eye cannot detect infrared light. There are many sources of infrared light all around us, and one of them is your television remote. If you look at your television remote, on the top of it is probably a bulb, which is the source of the signal that it sends to your television. What it does is, when you press a button on your remote, it sends infrared light as a signal to your TV. But that infrared light can't be seen by your eyes, so go ahead and give it a try. Pick up your TV remote and look right at that bulb, press some of the buttons. You'll find that your eye cannot see the infrared light. But your cell phone camera can see it. So go ahead and give this a try. Take your cell phone camera and use it to look at your TV remote. You may find that either your front camera or your back camera works, perhaps not both, or perhaps both. It depends upon your cell phone. But remember, you can't see it from your eye, but when you look at it in your cell phone, you should be able to see the flashes of light. Because your cell phone camera can detect the infrared light that your eye can't see. So now you can see that there are different kinds of light detectable by different kinds of detectors, visible by your eyes, and infrared, among other wavelengths, by your cell phone camera. A different kind of light is radio waves. Your cell phone uses a radio frequency signal to send and receive information. If I receive a call on my cell phone, it comes in on a radio wave. give me a call. Radio waves can pass through many kinds of materials, including wood, glass, and concrete, like the building around me. But radio waves can be blocked by materials as well, especially metal. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wrap my cell phone, you can try this too, I'm going to wrap it up in this piece of aluminum foil. If I do that, can I receive a call? Let me get it wrapped up and then you can call me. All right, give me a call.
Hello?
No call. The metal blocked the radio waves from getting to my cell phone. I hope you enjoy this activity on visible, infrared, and radio waves. Thank you for participating in GETT 2020 and for learning a little bit about Westchester University. Have a happy and healthy year.